Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the proper safe way to run your 1800 Yamaha VX or FX on the water hose. The first thing you need to do is locate your flush fitting and attach your garden hose flush adapter. Most Yamaha flush fittings are located at the left rear area of the ski. Some FX models are located inside the rear storage compartment under the grab handle. I highly recommend that you clear your garden hose of excess debris before hooking up to your ski. Garden hose quick disconnects make connections easier, and a water supply shutoff valve close to the ski helps to prevent your engine filling up with water if your ski happens to stall while running. Once you have the water supply hooked up properly to the ski, the next step is starting the ski up first to be sure it idles smoothly and to be sure it will run without you holding the throttle. When you feel confident the ski is running smoothly and idling properly, you should turn the water supply on within about 15 to 18 seconds. The three places you should see water coming out while running are the pump nozzle, the exhaust, and the pisser ports. You should see a pretty good steady stream of water coming out the pisser ports, and the temperature should not be too hot to touch. The supercharged skis will have 2 or more pisser ports, and the flow you see will be dependent on whether the ski is level on the trailer, nose up, or nose down. It is preferred to have the ski level or nose down so cooling water will come out all of the ports. In this part of the video, I have the reverse bucket disconnected from the link rod so I can show you where to look for cooling water coming out of the exhaust. As you can see, when you rev the engine, a lot more water comes out the exhaust and the jet pump. Now I'm going to hook the reverse bucket back up so you can see the jet pump water flow. If you ever need to access anything behind the reverse bucket, it's as easy as just disconnecting the ride motor linkage rod. When checking for proper water flow, you should be looking for steady water flow out the pump nozzle and off the ride plate. Depending on the level the ski is on your trailer, you should see a steady stream of water coming out of your pisser port or ports, and the temperature of the water should be comfortable to touch, not scalding. When you flush your Yamaha ski, about 3 to 5 minutes is a sufficient amount of time to do it right. If you run your ski in salt water, you should be using a product like Saltaway to help treat your cooling system and prevent corrosion. If you are needing any products shown or mentioned in this video, don't forget to check out my description or products on the video for links to all of the items I use and recommend. Now that we have run the ski long enough to flush out the cooling passages, it's time to shut it down. It is very important to turn the water supply off first because water hose pressure is considerably higher than the pressure that comes in naturally from the pump at low RPMs. Once you turn the water supply off, the first stream you'll see drop off is the pisser stream. It takes a little bit longer for the water flow to stop flowing at the nozzle and exhaust ports. In order to clear the excess water in the water box, it is a good idea to rev the engine once or twice to blow out the excess. Just be sure to shut the engine down immediately after so you don't elevate the engine temp and trip an overheat warning. Now that the water is off and the engine is shut down, it is time to disconnect the water supply and remove the flush adapter. Don't forget to reinstall the flush port cap. Even though it may not be a necessity to have quick disconnects on your setup, I feel it just makes connections easier. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please smash the like button to support us and subscribe to my channel to see more cool videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.